Hey guys, I am in my car, and not for the good lighting, but because I'm about to go on a road trip. I am really low on funds, and I'm trying to save money by not stopping along the way to eat fast food or whatever happens to be along the way on my long road trip. So I have packed some really cheap, kind of healthy things, and I'm going to show you what I packed. So the first thing I got are these little granola balls. I showed in a few years ago, I made a video on how to make these, and I'll just show you again. So yeah, it couldn't be simpler, just oats and honey and peanut butter, and they're really tasty, and they're just kind of like energy bars, but fresher and less dry, so I don't know, they just feel better to eat. And these things last like a really long time in the fridge, so I might not even, I probably won't eat all of these on the ride down, probably eat the rest of them like on the ride back up a few days later. And for my savory component, I have made sushi. Now, a lot of you guys probably think sushi, oh, that's like a special treat. It's like expensive and stuff. This is just a kappamaki, which is just sushi rice, cucumber, and nori, the seaweed paper. And I get the nori in bulk, usually at an Asian market, but you can get it bulk online, and I got a link below if you want cheap nori. Never buy it at the supermarket. It's so much more expensive there. But anyway, yeah, just some nori and cucumber and sushi rice. And I made these really, really tiny so that I can pop them into my mouth safely while I'm driving. And I won't have to be like chewing on them awkwardly while I'm trying to steer and drive.
Any ideas?
I like vegetarian sushi because this is going to keep for a good 24 hours in the car. It doesn't even really have to be refrigerated, if just for 24 hours. And I'm not going to eat these today, actually. I'm doing one leg of the journey today, a shorter leg of the journey, and then the longer leg of the journey tomorrow. So that's when I'm going to eat these. And it's like a whole pot of white rice and some cucumber and some nori, so it comes to almost 700 calories. So it's like a third of your daily requirement right there. And I also brought Coca-Cola. No, actually, these are just Coke bottles from my boyfriend's Coke habit. I rinsed them out, washed them out, and I put iced tea in them, homemade iced tea, for my caffeine habit. So I don't have to buy overly priced bottled iced tea at a gas station. And then I just packed some nuts, more nuts, couple string cheeses, and some old goldfish crackers that my boyfriend, he bought a giant carton of them like a month ago, and I was like, are you gonna eat all of that? I don't want you throwing any of it away. And he was like, oh yeah, of course I'll eat it all. And like he didn't, and there's still a couple cups of it and they're getting stale, so I'm gonna eat them during this vacation. So yeah, that's it. That's all my cheap road food. I'm gonna be spending so much money on gas as it is. I wanna save money wherever I can on this trip. So next time you go on a road trip, consider making some of these things and you'll save yourself a penny.